All right, welcome back. We're gonna get into this Reddit, helping people out with these tutorials, dog. We're gonna get into the news. We're gonna get into the sentiment. We're gonna get into Koifin. We're gonna get into fucking Benzinga, dude. We're gonna get into it all. First thing is first, always though. It's P&L, dude. I did not record this morning session because I fucked up the recording, and yeah, but we're good because we made $688. I could have let some positions run harder. It's all good. Made the same mistake yesterday, but here's the thing, dude. You just never know. You never fucking know if they're gonna rip it down or not. And when I saw those 5 minute candles print this morning in futures, taking shit down, okay, I didn't want to fuck around, so I got my money out. I cleared almost everything. I'm almost 90% in cash right now. 90 fucking percent. And the only reason I'm not 95% like I was earlier today is because I put some risk on. I will show you the positions I opened. And I want to say this before we get started. Do not fucking come in here and copy trade me. All right. It's going to be very, very dangerous for you. Okay. Okay. If you wake up and enter the same positions I have on, they may go against you. So first of all, do not do that. There should be a disclaimer in this video that says, in the description, do not copy trade me. Do not fucking copy trade me. Because if you get wrecked, I don't want to get a message or a DM from you saying, oh man, what the fuck? I got wrecked. I bought the same positions as you. It's like, okay, well, you may not know when I get out of positions. Okay, so you may not know what prices I'm averaging in on if I'm holding certain positions longer when I'm down. For example, like let's say you copy traded me on H&R Block and you're still underwater with me for a month and a half. Okay, because I refuse to fucking sell at a loss. I will not sell at a fucking loss. Now, so moving on quickly. Here's the positions I opened. You can see some of them are out of the money. I'm only disappointed with one. I'll talk about this position later. Before we get started, though, I want to address this thread right here. Before we go into generally Reddit, this person is literally doing this strategy where he is waking up, taking 40,000, buying one stock that's quote unquote mooning. Okay. This is very fucking dangerous, dude. Okay. I'm not saying it doesn't work. That's not what I'm saying. Okay. I'm saying you got to be fucking careful with that strategy, dog. So this video, among the other videos I created, and if you don't know what you're doing, watch the tutorial video I created. If you need more help, if there's something you don't understand, you want more clarification on indicators, moving averages, price action, bars, candles, time frames, markets, instruments that you can trade, securities, let me know. But the tutorial I recorded shows you the very, very basics of the strategy I trade, because I literally do the exact opposite that this guy does. So this guy's making money apparently. I'm making money. There's a lot of people in the market that makes money. But what I said to this guy was that, first of all, it's amazing that you're making anything doing that. Secondly, I'm not trying to, slow you down or anything like that. But I said, like, dude, just be very careful about that strategy, because that strategy can blow up your fucking account real quick, dude. Okay. So we're going to get into this real quick. We're up pretty much. I mean, this week, dude, we already made like, what, $1,700? Tomorrow's Wednesday, dude. You know what I mean? Like, if we can make another 400, 500, by the end of the week, I'm fine. $2,000 a week, we're fucking set, dude. That's all. Dude, this is all that this game is. You need to get your account to a level where you can be making $200, $300, $400, $500 a day. Dude, there's some days where even if you make $100, it's straight, dude. It's 2 racks a month. If you just made 2 racks a month, compound that, add more money to your trading account, that will eventually be 120, 140, 160, etc., etc., etc. I also commented on this guy's thread right here. Check this out. I'm new to stocks. I just trade on margin. Was trading margin is trading only on margin a bad thing? It's like, dude, do not trade on fucking margin. I said, you're gonna get wrecked so fast, dude. Trading margin. Okay, you need to know exactly what the fuck you're doing to trade margin. Okay, dude, I'm telling you, you need to understand what the fuck you're doing to the T before you trade margin. You are trading on borrowed money, dude. that shit can move against you so fast, and you can burn your entire fucking account, especially on some of these positions that I'm about to show you. That I bought today at the fucking close, because that's where you buy. That's what I teach you to do. Okay. So, for example, let's say this guy is trading on margin today, and let's just go right into the charts. Right. We'll go into the futures in a second. I want to start with positions I opened. So let's say you traded on margin, and you were buying this stock the other day, right? You were on margin, right? Let's go to the 2 hour, right? Because this stock obviously dropped 19% today, right? That's why I bought it at the fucking close. You can see my strike all the way down here at the fucking close, dude. That's where you fucking buy. At the close, dude. I can't tell you how many fucking times I'm going to say this over and over and over again. You buy at the fucking close, dude. Because where did it run down to? Prior fucking support, which it's likely to break down through. And guess what? The next target is going to be fucking 41, 39, fucking 36, and then below 33 if we get that low. And I guarantee you this security will not fall that fucking hard because it's a biotechnology company. And there's probably news related to why the security is waterfalling down like this. But I'm going to tell you right now, buyers are going to step in to average down. There's going to be retail buying shit that's 20% off, and this will have a reversion to the mean. Right? This is going to kick up, and I can immediately sell into it, or I can hold it, because this eventually is going to go back to $50 eventually over time. It may be several weeks, it could be several months, but this will eventually go up. So I have the choice tomorrow to, obviously, because I bought the close, right? I can catch the momentum back up, sell immediately, or I can hold, right? If it dips below my strike, and buy more down in this area right here where the volume is completely died off, right? So, because right now you can see all the volume is right here. So let's say this guy bought right here on margin, went to sleep, right? Went to sleep for a week because he's just riding high on margin. Then you wake up and this shit drops 20%, dude. You're fucking like liquidated immediately. You're on 4x margin, dude. Yeah, you're like trading 4x margin, like almost everything, dude, and shit drops 20%. You're liquidated immediately, dude. You're you're completely fucked. I mean, you're so wrecked. And dude, I'm telling you, people trade options. That shit happens all the fucking time, dude. They don't understand certain like fucking spreads. They don't understand slippage. There's a million things. They don't just understand the security in general, right? It just completely flips on them. There was a guy today literally lost like I think it was $14,000 fucking dollars, his entire fucking life savings on buying a GNUS. Like, are you fucking kidding me, dude? You're gonna seriously spend your entire fucking life savings, dude, on a security you never heard of. Let's check out this chart, dude. I can't even believe this shit. Oh, and by the way, this shit dropping 20%, that costs $44 fucking dollars now, which dropped from 55. That's totally different than buying this shit. Okay? That was previously 28 fucking cents, dude. Please, dude. Please get some fucking sense in this game, dude. I mean, this is a fucking 2-hour chart, right? Okay? You saw the security starting to melt down when those two red bars sold at the peak. Then they tried to catch it and bring it back up. It didn't work. Then they tried again. Catch it. It didn't work. They tried it again and again and again. They had a pump. This really didn't fall. This, dude, this is a lot of fucking people trying to average down, dude. Okay? This is maybe even institutions trying to average down, or they're trying to sneak in a pump so they can sell out what they can at a massive loss or reload a short, right? And then they write it down to collect their money because they're either getting out, right? Or they're averaging down and then they flip it short to get their money back. So I totally understand why someone just lost 90% on that. It's fucking lunacy, dude. Again, this is different because this sell-off was over, Jesus, 2 months? No. June, July. Oh my God, dude. 2 months, dude. 2 fucking months straight downhill, dude. I mean, I don't even know what to say, dude. If you were down 10% up here, 10 fucking percent on a trade, on a security you never heard of, on a company you never fucking heard of, the fuck out of here, dude. Please. With this dumb shit, dude. Please do not fucking come in here and trade on margin. Do not sit here and fucking buy penny stocks, dude. I mean, what the fuck are you doing? Let's go to the weekly chart. You really want to buy some shit like this? Look, this security out of the gate since 2015. $11 down to, oh my God, fucking literally 6 cents at the March drop, dude. Now, let me ask you a question. If there was a fund out there that bought $100,000 at 7 cents, don't you think they're going to ride the short down from 11 all the way back down to 15 fucking cents? Because they know this company's complete fucking dog shit. They'll go nowhere. Right? Let me talk to their management, dude, because I would never allow this shit to happen, dude. Ever. Right? This is fucking insane. Like, this person is lucky to get away with something. Right? Unless he was trading options, he's completely obliterated. Maybe he got like at least 10% of his money back or something. I mean, this shit, I'm telling you right now, this shit is probably at least going back down to 80 cents. If I was trading this, I would bet my money that the shorts get closed around right here. And then if they don't, they're getting closed down here at 25 cents. Because this company is fucking dog shit and it's never going anywhere, dude. And that's why people trade penny stocks, dude. Because they're highly manipulated and there's huge fucking moves up, dude. Huge moves up. Dollar moves in a month. Dude, this is crazy. Right? Some of these moves are enormous. Yeah, you're basically doubling your money. You're doubling your fucking money. That's why people trade penny stocks. They 10x their money, but then they lose everything, dude. I mean, please, for Christ's sakes, get some fucking sense in this game, dude. Do not fucking trade small caps and penny stocks, dude. Again, it's totally different buying a company like this. All right? Right? You go to the weekly. Guess what? On the weekly, they've been showing strength for years, dude. Right? Let's go to another one. Maybe not all the charts will show the same thing. Right? Pretty decent range trading, but in the last year, it's really taken off. Right? This is the March drop. So this security's not even been on the market that long. It got hit hard, and then it skyrocketed during the drop. So I'm buying literally again. That's the weekly candle I bought at the close. I'll show. Let's keep moving on. Right, this security strength, 10% drop today. Strength, dude. Strength, bought at the fucking close. Right. Again, it's unbelievable, dude. Strength, right? Strength. Range trading, likely to get hit back down over time. I'm not necessarily going to argue against that. Strength. General strength, and then the last few years it's been hitting hard, but they've been showing a range trading obviously in the zone, right? You can see, I'm really not that bad of an entry, and that's why I bought at the close, because I had that option to get out, right? Look, it's not that bad, okay? We're not at the tippity top. We're definitely not up in this range, right? We're selling down, 2 weeks of selling, but look, this is a massive pump. Okay, 2 weeks of selling. Okay, maybe 2-3 more weeks of selling. But eventually the selling always stops, dude, and then it skyrockets, dude. Right? And I'm not going to be in the trade that long because this is getting oversold. This is actually probably a great short, but I'm just not going to short something called China Meditech during a pandemic and with the Chinese buying up their own fucking companies, dude. Let's be real. PDD, massive strength. Selling off, understood. Taking profit, understood. But again, we're swinging this, dude. Tomorrow morning, I can sell at a profit. I can get the fuck out, right? AYX, huge strength, dude. Cybersecurity, let's go, dude. Again, ball at the close. You can see these strikes, dude. Strength. Okay. Strength, basically strength for a very long fucking time, dude. This range traded in this is 10 years ago. This is ages ago. This company's been around for a long ass time, dude. Again, bought right down there at the close, dude. Look at that. Right into the March drop, dude. Fucking brilliant entry, dude. You cannot get any lower. I mean, for Christ's sakes. The only way you can go lower is to buy if it goes down to 28. And I do not. This is week. Remember, this is a weekly chart, dude. Look at our entry, dude. I mean, for fuck's sake, I bought a security where its price. Well, last time that shit hit was in March, and then in November of 2019, July of 20. Was that? No, this is 2018, dude. This is crazy, dog. This drop, dude. This drop was fucking enormous. 17% down, dude. And this company's been around for fucking ages, bro. It's insanity, dude. Fucking so many people are pissed today, dude. Not chasing it. Didn't enter Shopify. Bought like right at the close, like 3 shares of this because this is just a massive fucking run up, dude. Massive, dude. Oh my god, this stock's made people so much fucking money, dude. It's insane. Again, strength. Again, dude, I'm just showing. This is range trading. This is a hot stock, though. This is likely to kick down to 115 or possibly down here, slam down here at 105 eventually. This security's been, okay, I'll give you this. This security's been having trouble, but overall strength for years. Again, you're buying that security at the March low, right? Actually, this one's below the March low, dog. We're getting in, dog. Ooh, we're getting in. We're getting in the May low, dog. We're getting in the low, dude. Now, this security's obviously in trouble, dude. But that's why we buy. We buy at the fucking close, dude. We buy at the close when this shit drops 2%. It's been selling off for fucking weeks, dude. No one's stepping in yet, dude. That's what I like, dude. I like to get in when no one's stepping in, dude. All right? And then eBay, come on, dog. This is just massive strength. So, what do we learn? Don't trade on margin. Don't buy fucking penny stocks. Use some sense. If you're going to buy shit that's sold off, right? Let's go into the trade, right? On a more sensible time frame. 2 hour, right? And you can see, obviously, massive fucking death. Where did the buyer step in? Of course they step in aftermarket, dude. They're not going to try to let you know at what price they really want you to get in at. They're going to let the retail get hammered. They may gap it down again tomorrow, right? And more retail will fucking sell it off, dude, right? So understand what the fuck you're doing, please, for Christ's sakes, dude. So forth and so on. Like you see all these entries, dude, right at the fucking close, dude. I don't know what you want. I mean, you're either gonna buy at the fucking close or you're not, because when we go in and we go into the tight time frame, right? We're going into the 2 minute. So we'll go back to ACAD, right? Look, there's people trading momentum. There's algos trading momentum. There's people buying size right here, dude. Look at this. This is algos trading the momentum, right? But look, because I know that because I can see the waviness of the consolidation. But I also see buyers, dude. Right? I see the buyers picking it up big time. Okay, they're interested. They're fucking interested at 11. They're interested at 12, dude. They're interested, and then they drop it down. See who else wants to freak out and sell it at the close, right? Or close or shorts, right? And reverse the trade, right? And buy more, right? We're getting exhausted here, dude. This is a massive fucking drop right down to the, see this thicker red line right here? This is the 200, the really big thick red. This is the 1,000 EMA. This is the 2,000 EMA. This is the 3,000 EMA. This is the 4,000 EMA. This is the 4,900 EMA on the 2 hour, dude. This is the 4,900 EMA on the 2 minute. Or sorry, yeah, this is the 4,900 EMA on the 2 minute. Where do you think the security is going to go back up to? I'm not saying it's going to go to 52 because that's all the way back up here. Right? I'm not saying that. I'm saying that's just where it is, right? So if you did a Fibonacci retracement, or if you just thought about mean reversion, I'm going to tell you right now, there's a very high likelihood that this kicks up to 46.50 at some point. Bare minimum, dude. Unless there's just so much bearish news or fraud with this company that just hasn't been exposed yet, and then I lose my money on how many fucking shares I buy. Not a lot, because I don't know what this company is, dude. 15 shares. I mean, for Christ's sake, there's people that bought thousands of fucking shares down here, right? But that's how you manage your fucking risk, dude. You don't go all in on a fucking company you never heard of that just dropped by 20%. Okay? You wait at least for the buyers to step in, and then you start building some size with them, right? You get the point, right? So forth and so on. All these securities are going to show what? Buyers stepping in at the fucking close, dog. You do not try to sit here and catch a fucking falling knife, dude. It's just going to burn you out. And guess what I did? I'll show you exactly how that didn't work out on this security. Started buying right here, dude. I thought the floor was in at 81. Nah. No, it's not. Sorry. Dropped another fucking dollar. Look how out of the money I am. Now, on the 2 hour, as you can see right here, we zoom in on the 2 hour. Technically speaking, on the 2 hour, we're not super out of the money, right? Let's do this by a percentage, right? %1.4%. Now, I could have been on a tighter spread if I would have just waited. What is that? 45 minutes? You can't wait 45 fucking minutes? See, I break my own fucking rule, dude. And I try to rationalize it in my head. I'm like, well, this is a major Chinese internet company that sells cars and other retail stuff. China's going to buy it up. There's going to be U.S. investors that want to diversify risk by buying into Chinese securities when China's recovering from the pandemic, right? This is also mostly internet technology company as well. So it's not, it doesn't have the same overhead. I looked at their liabilities, it's not that high, right? Their debt's not that high, right? They're backed by the fucking Chinese government. What do you think? What do you think is going to happen to the security, dude? It's going to go back up, right? Then you look again. I already showed you the weekly chart. There's no red flags on that, right? So, and the security has just been hammered, dude. It was hammered before the drop. I mean, for Christ's sakes, this drop in its totality, dude, the totality of the fucking drop from the wick to the trough today, this is a total of a 13.61% drop. So you minus the 1.4%, you're still getting in on a 12% drop. I could have got a better entry, right? But the thing about this last death move right here is this is someone just really trying to fucking drill it for whatever reason. But you can see buyer stepped in here, buyer stepped in here, and buyer stepped in here. And that's where I bought. I bought there, I bought there, I bought there. And I will be adding every tomorrow I'll let it do its thing, right? I'll let it do its thing. But if it's death tomorrow, I will do the same thing. I will wait until the close, right? Or I will wait until there's serious pain and make that estimation, because like I said, this is not a terrible fucking entry. It's not terrible. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. Again, if I would have just waited to what is this? Oh, sorry, this is aftermarket. But 2 minutes before the close would have got you the near perfect fucking entry. Let's go to another security. FE. Same thing. This actually halted trading and got in at 34.28. This dropped 17 fucking percent today, dude. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. The company's been around at least 20 years. I just showed you the weekly chart. Okay. Again, 4,900 EMA on the 2 minutes up here at $40, and the 4,900 EMA on the 2 hour is at 39. So I don't know about you, dog, but I'm placing my bet that this kicks back at some point, and it's definitely going to go over 48.28. And if it doesn't, then I deserve to lose my money. But I'm telling you, with the oversold signals and with that huge of a fucking spike down, dude, it's fucking insane, dude. This would piss me off so fucking much, dude. Because volatility was relatively tame today. We kicked it up. We did kick it up on the 2 hour. But I'm not really alarmed by the volatility spike or the sell-off. I mean, this is a tame sell-off right now. This is a controlled selling. Okay, this is not, most securities not obviously do a 17% drop, right? 9% drop. Okay, these are companies I've never even heard of before. That's why I go in risk low and I wait for other companies that I just sold into the rallies for to sell down to hedge against these positions from companies I never heard of, but are also down 10, 12, 19%. Again, the caveat being not small caps, penny stocks. These are large cap companies, right? I had to use a scanner on Benzinga, right? $2 billion, $20 or more, regular market, losers. It's fucking pain, dude. Pain printed all in these charts, dude. You get the point. You buy at the fucking close. You do not deviate from the strategy. You don't be like me who went to Auto Home and tried to buy an hour before the close. It's fucking asinine, dude. Don't do it. Just do not fucking do it. Or if you do it, buy a little bit, come back, so you're in the trade. Oh shit, just moved another dollar. Where are we at on time? Oh fuck, 5 minutes before the close. Okay, buyers are stepping in. They just stepped in right there, 8 minutes before the close. It's still dropping. Let's go in. Fuck it. Buy up enough, and this average would have been brought down, way down, probably down to $80 or close to it, 80-20 maybe. Way better, way tighter entry, dude. You get the point. Now, where do you average down if this keeps dropping, right? What if out of the gate they just keep slamming it down, dude? Right? Just fucking hammer it, dude, all the way down to 74, right? Well, that's where I already draw that line. I drew that line down here, right? I want to get in basically anywhere in this block, right? Anywhere here if they want to take it that low. But I don't think they will. I really don't. I mean, it's already hammered so hard that it's got to kick up at some point. It's got to have power up, right? AYX, bought at the close, so forth and so on. I'm not going to go through each one of these securities. This is what I bought today. Again, risk is small, right? Risk is small. Now, when you buy a company you never heard of, see, this is why you buy at the fucking close, because shit like this happens, dude. Buyers step back in, dude. They want in at this price, right? When you have a company you never heard of, right? That's basically Chinese, you got to be careful, because if this, if a news report comes out that, this company's being delisted or something, then that you need to sell immediately, right? And just take the loss, right? I've only bought fucking, what is that? Not a lot. Fucking, god damn it. 17 shares. We're good. We're fine. We're cooking. I mean, let's say they drop $5, 17 shares times 5. You get the point. I can make back $100, $200. I can make back $300, dude. I cannot make back, 17 times 80 if this went to 0. That's a little different. Let's do that math. Let's say this went to 0, like this fucking guy who just bought Genius. So we got 79 times 17. Sorry. Fucking, this vertical mouse is fucking me up. It's comfortable. It helps, but 79. $1,300. I could actually, that shit went to 0. Huh. I could still probably make back $1,300. This is why, again, bro, this is just risk management, dude. You don't go in 1,000 fucking shares, dude. Okay, you don't go like that guy who just bought 40,000 when a stock is pumping, dude. That's just so fucking stupid. Because what if it just turns around and drops 15% against you for no reason whatsoever? You don't know why it's happening. It just happens. This is the Nicholas shit, dude. This is exactly the Nicholas shit. Oh, we're good. I'm trading on margin, 40,000 in, dude. Then all of a sudden you wake up, the shit's down 30%. Liquidate it like immediately, dude, because you're trading on fucking leverage. Right? I can lose $1,300. I cannot lose if I had 1,000 shares on. Right? Your trade needs to be absolutely fucking perfect. You got 1,000 shares on, right? Or you need to have so much fucking money that you can piss away 1,000 share position and just call it a fucking day, right? Like, learn to fucking trade and use some sense. And enter at the close, and don't be a fucking dumbass like me buying an hour before the close. Yes, the other entries worked out. So what? Doesn't matter. You don't deviate from the strategy because it costs you money. And if you fuck up one trade every day for 20 years, what do you think is going to happen to your P&L when you start missing opportunities on a 1.4% gain? Right? Every day multiplied by 20 fucking years. Let's do the math real quick, dude. Fuck it. Let's do the math. Let's say there's what? Okay, let's do some bro math real quick. This is bro math, dude. Okay? So we got what 5 days multiplied by 4 weeks, 20 days times 12. Boom. 240 roughly. Let's just say that, dude. It's probably not accurate. Maybe let's do 215. Let's do 215, right? Okay, 215 times 1.4%. 300%. What? Multiply 20 years. 6,000%, dude. What? Is that even right, dude? I don't know. This is bro math, dude. You get the point. Just like don't fuck up because maybe this math is wrong, but it's still percentages that you're just fucking up. Like don't fuck up. Do not fuck up the trade. And you won't have a problem, right? Buy at the fucking close, right? If the gap's down tomorrow, don't freak out, right? There's no news. There's no concern. There's no issue. Again, buy at the close, right? If it just continues getting hammered, another 4 or 5%, buy at the close, right? You add more, brings the cost average down. You're not freaking out, right? And eventually it kicks back and it does some insane shit like this. Look at this. Look at this fucking move, dude. Let's do the math. Let's do the price range on this. 15% gain. 22% gain, right? So if we buy down here, right? Give me 1 second. Sorry, dogs are fucking driving me crazy. Again, so yeah, you get the point. If you can average down, and you will drop the average, and you will chase it down, but you chase it down relative to a good entry. You know, the next entry area is down here, basically right here. This is your price target. Okay, this is your price target for if you need to average down in a catastrophic way. Right? That's why that's why I haven't added to HRB. Right? This is why I haven't added to this security right here. There's no reason to do that yet. This to me is not done being oversold, dude. Okay, I didn't average down here at 13 because it's just not where I want it. I want it to go down below 13. Okay, I want it to go down into basically below 13. 1250. Right? I'm waiting patiently, dude, to average down. Because I bought at 19, I dropped the average. Let's draw the line. 16 roughly. I'm out of the money deeply, but I'm not freaking out. This is starting to make higher lows. This is an uptrend, but you don't know if that's going to stay intact. You wait and wait and wait, right? Until it drops deeply. You could have bought at 13. That's fine, but I want it to drop more, right? That way I can get out. Now this should show something like this. Yeah. So I expect this to kick down to 14 or below at some point. Right? But I'm showing you how to average out because I've been holding this, dude. If you've been watching this channel for the last few days, I've been holding this since June 10th. Because I refuse to sell at a loss. I'm not going to fucking sell on a loss, dude. On a company like HRB that I know is not going to go bankrupt. It's just not in the fucking realm of possibility, dude. Right? They're like one of like 4 tax accounting companies, dude. Major tax accounting companies. All right. Now, let's go to the futures. 2 hour. Purely. Here we go. Rolling over. That's why I got out. That's why I just closed the shit today, dude, and got into all cash. Within the exception is only to buy shit that is deeply sold off. Deeply fucking hammered. Right? Fucking annihilate it. Just fucking, as the channel is called, right? Death drop. That's where you want to go in. Right? At the close. Right? Okay, NASDAQ futures rolling over, obviously, dude. Pain in the market, right? This is going to kick down. This is heading down here, right? They look. This is the market, dude. In general, I'm sorry if anyone thinks I'm like sexist or something, but look, they're taking you for a stroll. It's like dating a girl, right? They take you for a stroll, right? It's getting fun, right? Then it's starting to get exciting, right? And you go on your first date and you're kissing and foreplay and all that shit. And then you start having sex, dude. And then it gets rougher and then rougher and rougher and rougher. And then the shit gets so fucking cataclysmic that the fucking stock is running. The girl's running away from you. She doesn't like you anymore. She's just fucking get away from me, dude. And then it just dies. It fucking dies and dies and dies. And the relationship, of course, is so fucking toxic, dude. It's so toxic that they get back together, right, on the death drop, right, and then they start all over again, right? This is like all this shit over here in March, right? This shit right here is like a divorce with like 5 children, dude. Right? But the family's so broken, but it's a love story, dude. Eventually they just figure it out, dude. Right? That's the dynamics of the fucking market. I'm sorry for all the women that's probably watching this channel and like, hey, you're a fucking idiot. Don't say some stupid shit like that. But like, look, real talk, dude, for the guys out there, like, you know how it is, dude. The market is like some like toxic fucking relationship that you just love so much, like deep in your heart. But you have got to wait for things to repair. You got to use your intuition. Intuition today was to sell shit. I like, dude, I woke up to all these profitable positions that I closed. I could have waited just a little longer for some of them to ride, but I just decided to close them all out, dude. It was the right fucking choice, right? Because I got rewarded by waiting to the close, except for that one fucking security, auto home, that I bought, right? Those securities I bought, again, we're back here, right? Deeply hammered, dude. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost. Yeah, these are high 7s, so between 8 and 19% off, dude. Huge dips, dude. Huge dips. And I know some of these are gonna have more pain, dude. This is not done being oversold. I know that because there's no buyers really stepping in yet. This is not done being oversold. This is not done being oversold. This is not done being. Oh, dude, this is juicy. This is where you start picking up size. This is not done being oversold. I know that because there's no buyers stepping in, dude. And you know when buyers are stepping in, not oversold. I'll show you. Buyers step in when you start seeing this line go green, and there's a divergence in the volume, and the bars line up. You see the green bars right here. All right. Same thing here. 2 green bars take out 2 red bars, right? Divergence on the volume, kicking up. We're going in. You take that risk. You go in, dude. HCM, same thing. 2 green bars take out these 2 red bars right here. This general range, it's kicked off. You sell into that immediately, dude. You don't fuck around because that was in a downtrend. That may be the same story tomorrow on the security. I may sell into this in the morning because why? Look, it's in a fucking downtrend, dude. Okay, I'm telling you right now, this security has more room to go down. So why would I hold it? If this gaps tomorrow, I sell. You got to be smart. This is why I said in the beginning, don't copy trade me, because my strategy is totally different, right? Again, same concept, right? This you could potentially hold a little longer because like all the power is up here, but you get the point. This is going to have a reaction. Most of these companies are going to have a reaction, dude. Again, Seattle Genetics, right? I may sell because this is in a downward gap. We haven't even hit an oversold level yet, dude. We even haven't, look, dude, this shit hasn't sold off. See how this shit runs? It's red right here. Red, dude. Red. March doesn't count. Red. All this red. Look, dude, that's where you buy. You buy here. 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 Buy here. And then you get rewarded, dude. You get rewarded in a massive fucking pump, dude. Right? Use your senses. Use your intuition. This security that just dipped back here, you can say, oh, we just had a sell-off. No, we didn't. We didn't get below 200, dude. Shit barely fucking sold off, dude. Right? That's why I bought like 3 shares. Because if this pumps, yeah, I may make like, $3, $4, $5, $6, but so what? Right? It's the system, right? It's the trading system. I don't want to buy 10 shares because it's $177, dude. I don't want to eat $1,700 in buying power just to buy fucking some shares at this price when I know this is going to drop lower. Come on, dude. This is extremely bearish. Look, This is a price flip. They tried to buy up. They tried to buy it up right there. And they said, no, we're not playing that game. We're going down, dude. Period. And you can see anyone who bought down here, right? Except for with the only exception being at the close, you're an idiot. Unless you're playing like me, which is to wake up, right? To wake up and play the gap, right? Play the gap, which was look, this is the gap play, right? This is the gap play. This is how they trap you, dude. Make your fucking life miserable, dude. This is the gap play. This is what I'm saying. 630 kicks, goes higher. You sell, right? Then what? Then what happens? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You're fucked. You're fucked. And then they try to take it up. They try to take it up. No, dog. We're good. Like, they just fucking wreck you out, dude. This is pre-market dumping. So out of the gate, this was a short. Out of the gate, this was a short, but then they added to the short, of course, 1 hour before the close, dude. And that's why I bought. Right there, where buyers are stepping in on that bar, dude. Is this aftermarket bar? Of course it is, dude. 2 minutes after the close, dude. They step in. They move the book. Fucking 60 cents. Buyer stepped in for sure, right? Maybe that's not that big of a deal for a security this expensive, but I'm showing you the principle, dude. They step in at the close, dude. They close their shorts, right? They close their shorts. They flip them back, right? If they didn't sell it all off, they buy back their shares. It may pump hard in the morning. They reactivate their fucking shorts if they're seeing the seller interest is picking up, and then it bleeds down very aggressively, dude. That's how you get these huge drops. Among other things, people are also piling into the short, dude. But I'm not shorting something like CL Genetics. That's like I'm not playing that game, dude. I don't short. Okay, that's not in my fucking wheelhouse, dude. My version of shorting is buying something that's 20% off, dude. That literally dropped 20% in one day. That's my version of shorting, dude. Yeah. So let's go to the news real quick. See if we can find anything. Nice. Kroger's pumping. Yeah, the big story today was Caesars. Whatever, dude. I think they might dump some more. The fuck is this? Uber Technology selling stockholders. Huh. I wonder if Uber was gonna drop because of that. DraftKings, you're an idiot for buying that right now. I don't give a fuck what anybody says, dude. Unless you're buying that shit, holding it for 5 years, be extremely careful with trading that security in and out right now. You better know what you're doing. There it is, dude. The fuck is this? Okay. So that's why they dropped. Okay, well that's fine. We'll sell it. We'll sell into the rally tomorrow because people are not going to read that news. Not everyone has the news. Okay. Okay. So first energy solution is already out of the picture. Okay, Energy Heart. Okay, so it's a different company. Not mentioned in the affidavit. So yeah, they had to do what they had to do, dude. It's fucked up. They bribed people to get the bailout. Okay. Yeah. But this is more an issue with these cats, right? I mean, dude, let's be real. If your company is struggling, you do whatever you can to make it correct and do right by the shareholders and try to survive, which is what happened, right? They got the bailout, but again, that's why we check the news, and this is why, again, what I'm arguing, right, is you may say, "Oh, this cat's a fucking idiot. This cat's an idiot for buying First Energy." Well, guess what, dog? I only bought 20 shares. I bought at a strike of fucking $34, right? Now it's dropping in the aftermarket. I can see it. It dropped 75 cents in the aftermarket, right? So we'll go here, right? FE right here. It's not printing here, but it's printing in uh fucking 30. Let me just draw this out. 30. Okay, no. Okay, my fault. It is printing. It is printing in the aftermarket. So we'll just do this math right now. So 34 20. So 33.25 times 20. God damn it. I have to do it. Sorry. Not the best at math. 30. The mark is 33.25. $20, dude. I'm out. I'm out $21, dude. Unless this gap's down like $4 in the morning, like I have the choice right there to sell at a $20 loss, dude. I mean, it's whatever. Now I want to know something, dude. Before I panic sell this, right? Which clearly is happening. People are panic selling, right? Here we go. $16 million is nothing for a company. Let's look at their. This is a utility company, first of all. Okay. Mostly institutional ownership, of course. Almost 70% institutional ownership. $74 million a year net income. Check this out. So FE rating. So Moody's. Oh, sorry. First Energy. Let's see if I can find the ratings on this. There we go. Fuck. Did you just tell me if it's A or B or C or fucking terrible? Let's find it in Benzinga. Doing some deep analysis right now, dog. That's how we do it. Conference call is in 2 days, dude. Where's ratings at? Let's see if I can look up. I don't know if this is going to come up. What the fuck? I can't just type in a symbol, and that's weird. What? I guess this is not going to come up. That's weird. Just trying to figure out what the credit rating of this company is. Triple B. So we're not. It's not an AA plus, but it's not, I guess, horrible, right? It's not the worst of the worst. Okay, so the question becomes: is game theory now, dude? We just dropped, obviously. The wick is okay. So see, this is what I'm saying, dude. So they're dipping it in the aftermarket, but they're also buying it up. They bought it back up to my strike. They're cutting it up here. Again, I will likely have the ability to get out of this trade if I wanted to. This is why I didn't buy 1,000 shares, dude. I mean, you can say, "Oh, well, this fucking idiot buying a company that's being investigated by prosecutors for fucking bribing." Yeah, but dude, let's be real, dude. This is capitalism, dog. And they just secured a bailout for 1.3 billion whenever that was, as in 2017. It's fucked up. I mean, it's criminal. You cannot be bribing fucking people, dude. Like, it's dark money. I know about this shit, dude. I know about how they do this shit like this. But that's why you got to be careful, dude. And we could probably look at all these companies, dude, and see that news, right? So we close this. Let's just take a look. Let's take a gander, dog. So now you got everyone's attention. Let's check out ACAD. Boom, dog. Let's go. This is aftermarket. This is something to do with their yeah, this is something to do with their drug, I think. So Acadia, ACAD. Yeah, ACAD. So ACAD stock news. Yeah. So they got dumped because of their depression drug didn't work out. That's that. You're getting hit, dog. You're getting hit hugely, dog. You're paying the fucking piper, dude. That's why I bought the close, because investors, they get this money, dog. They get their money back in millions and millions of dollars in shorts. This short here just made them a fuckload of money, dude. Right? But again, I sell into the momentum back up as people try to average down, right? They bring it back up. DNLI. Let's check it out. I fucking love Benzinga, dude. It's just right here, DNLI. Let's check it out. Expansive Zach team. Oh, it is what? Oh, they're mentioned in. I see. Okay, so why did this drop today? DNLI stock news 5 days ago. Uh oh. We're not. That's not good. See, that's a little different, dude. But there's no news for that drop. That's interesting. So there's a drop, but there's no news. Interesting. DNLI. No news. Huh. Fascinating, dude. That to me is almost more concerning. That's a little bit more concerning. Hit hard, dude. Neurodegenerative diseases. Analyst ratings. Let's check it out. It's a buy, dude. Right now, at least. Current 1 month ago, it's a buy. I want to check out First Energy then. FE. Fucking hammer, dude. Hammered. Unbelievable. 17% drop and then another 2% move down in the aftermarket. Wrecked. Rating. A buy, dog. 3 months ago, 1 month ago, current. Everyone's in the buy camp, dude. Price target 44 and we're now at 33 and I bought at 34. Dude, it's one of these stocks I don't know, man. I might just have I'm going to sell into the pump because I don't want to risk. But dude, that shit is sold off so hard, dude. I mean, it's not funny because they're like doing illegal shit, but dude, that is aggressively sold off, dude. It's fucking annihilated. Right back to the march you go, dude. Right back to the march. Guess did they get a bailout there? In 2017? Guess they got a bailout in 2017. Wow. Wow. Who knows, man? If they gap tomorrow, I'll sell it. If they don't, maybe I'll try to short it. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. I like the analysts. That's why I don't trust analysts. I just trust the price. This is why I usually only buy companies that I know about because they usually don't get involved with fucking bribery schemes, right? Let's check. What else fell hard? Let's do one more. PTCT. Oh shit. Hmm. Hmm. Is there any real reason for that drop? course, is a buy mostly or a hold. Price target is 62. Oh, this is the wrong company. 1 second. Sorry. PTCT. My apologies. It's a buy. Low target of $50. Medium target 55. God damn it. Same thing. Sorry. PTCT. What the fuck? I guess it's the same company? PTC. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 My fault. We were looking at the same shit. Okay. Therapeutic company. Apparently that shit's really important right now. Okay. Yeah, aftermarket, that FE security, it's not bothering me. I mean, dude, when it drops that hard, what can you really do, dude? You can't really do anything about that, right? That's just one of those drops where you just have to pull the trigger and say, I'm buying that shit right now, dude. Shit just dropped 28%, dude. You may not, dude, drops like that, like you may only get that. It's on a once in a lifetime drop, dude. The speed and velocity of that drop, dude, is so powerful, dude. Fucking unbelievable. $32 was the March low. And that wasn't even oversold on the 2 hour. That's actually amazing. This technically isn't even oversold yet. But the velocity, dude, of that drop, funds are just liquidating the entire thing, dude. And that's why I bought at that price. Even if I bought at the close, even if I caught that right there, let's see what that difference is in price. $2%. $3%. 3% out of the money on that. Oversold territory, likely to get drilled. If we get a pump tomorrow, sell into the rally. Don't like holding companies that have been involved with fraud. If this dips lower, it dips lower. I'll have that opportunity to just get out of the trade as soon as possible. I think that this is probably going to be one of those things where, it's a slap on the wrist. I mean, think about it. If $60 million they took, $60 million in bribes. So, what, they can give 60 million back, which is not that much for a big ass company, right? And then, pay like 20 million on top of that, right? I don't know what they'll do. I mean, let me see if people are involved in bribery, dude. But this is the big thing, dude. This also involves. That's a lot of money, dude. Racketeering charges. I think that company's probably going to be fine. Ooh, CD Project Red. Should probably invest in that. This is Euro. Take a look at those when we get off this video. All right, bearish sentiment. Obviously, I told you that's why I closed the positions. Koifin, let's see what sectors are hit hard for today. Biotech, obviously. Well, I just showed you some biotech companies that got hit. That's why I bought them, dog. Internet, we're not sold off enough. I will be buying internet companies soon. I bought, 2 today? PDD and Auto Home and, sorry, AYX as well. It's always in the bars, dude. I didn't even look at this until right now. So I bought securities that were sold off because the bars were telling me to buy. Let me reload this. See what the aftermarket is telling me on thebriefing.com. This was 21st at 2 o'clock Eastern. Dow's up, Nasdaq's down, yeah, S&P's up, yeah. Energy. This is what I'm looking for, dude. IT, communication services, that's what I'm buying. I'm already ahead of you, dog. Yeah, they'll be getting, ooh, tomorrow is going to be volatile, dude, if this is coming in. That's why I took my risk off. What was this? Oh, EU stepping in with billions and billions of dollars. It's not apparently not affecting the price of their bond market, but I think it's affecting their stock market prices. No, no. The market wasn't up more though because of the off day for the mega cap stocks. Okay, yeah. So IT looks like it got hit in Europe as well. Yeah, I should have held my financials longer. It's whatever, dude. I sold them at a profit. Whatever. Moving on. That's the Wells Fargo. That's the Bank of America. That's the Citigroup, and that's the State Street. I fucked up. Should have held them a little longer. It's all good, dude. All right, so briefing's okay. We're good on that. We're already hit on that shit. We checked out Koifin. We checked out some shit. Fuck. Should have held Fox longer as well, dude. It's all right, dude. As long as you sell at a fucking profit, it's all good. Because you always get another chance, dude. This is gonna be interesting, though, dude. This is interesting shit. I really, really, really want to know what's gonna happen, or whether this company is gonna make it or not. All right, we're gonna leave it there. We'll get this uploaded again tomorrow. Let's go to the futures real quick. Volatility's picking up, which means we could see a red day with the news coming out on Wednesday and Friday. Futures, again, rolling over. Didn't hit the 200 last time, really, on the NASDAQ. Didn't hit the 200, really. Yeah, we're probably going down, dude. I'm sorry, but I'm bearish. I sent them all cash, right? I put some risk on. I put risk on companies that I think have a chance of rallying tomorrow, and I'm selling into those rallies, dude. Because the drops are so precipitous, dude. It's when you get a 20% drop, 12%, 17%, 9%. Usually people start stepping in and averaging down at some point, especially on my 2-hour time frame that I'm starting to see, oversold signals, right? Oversold. Some of these may have more time. This may have more downside. This may have more downside because of the nature of the fraud event. But that is just an enormous drop, dude. That is such a huge liquidation. I mean, they were climbing, dude. This was clean movement up, dude. 45 degree almost, except for this parabolic move up, and then it leveled out, and then it continued 45 degree. So, I mean, it's just unfortunate for the shareholders, but I'm sure there's a future for this company because it's been around. Again, we go back to, let's go to the monthly. I mean, dude, this company, boy. I mean, dude, we're talking 1969, dog. Survive the 70s, survive the 80s, dude. Is this the 1987 drop right here? Yeah. Oh man. Survive the 90s. Survive the tech.com shit. Fucking wreck. 2008. Right? Survive 2008. I mean, dude, we're below the 2008 prices, dog. We're below the 2009 bottoming. We're we're damn near below the issues in basically the 2015. I really feel like there were some issues with the energy market, oil market, and shit like that. And this is electric utilities. Man, hammered today, dude, on that drop. Dude, fucking crazy, dude. Been losing momentum too. Wow, this was, man, you could have left your short on it since March. Wow. 17% off, and I bought at the close, dude. Are we back up at all in this? No. No, the mark is still the same, I think. Yeah. As long as it doesn't run from me, I'll have that choice, dude. I'll have that choice to get out as soon as the bell opens tomorrow. Fucking brutal, dude. And this is bullshit too, because these motherfuckers had access to the news, dog. Let's see, 2 hour. Telling you, bro, they had access to the news at 5 a.m., dog. What? Oh, it's okay, 7 a.m. They didn't move it. They moved it yesterday. I wonder if they had access to the news yesterday. Wow. What the fuck? That's unfortunate too, man, because that dropped. This is dropping in the aftermarket, which I don't have access to. Yeah, institutions have access to the aftermarket, dude. It's fucking bullshit. It shouldn't be. You shouldn't be able to move the stock price in the aftermarket, in my opinion, because they just dropped it $1. And like I said, I bought even if you bought literally at the close, which was slightly better entry. Nope, that's not the close. The only chance you had was at 12:08 to get the best possible entry for the day, and you're still out of the money by $1, and that's the aftermarket. You can't control that. So all you can do, I guess, is flip it short with a 3% spread right there. Man. The real question is, okay, company's been around since 1969. They needed a bailout in 2017. They got their bailout. They were showing profits. They got hit at the corona, right? They got hit in the corona. They were gaining. Analysts were saying buy. Sorry, just need a stretch, and then this hits, and this is serious pain. 17% off, dude. Straight down you go. Sorry. So the real question is, sorry, do you think you can recover? That's the big if, dude. I mean, the real big question is, do I hold? Do I average down? What if it drops another $5, $6, $7, right? Do I set a stop loss? Do I say, you know what? If we dip 1 penny below 32.61, I'm out. Do we wait for a little counter pump tomorrow? Maybe we don't get all the way out, but we get most of the way out. These are options you got to weigh in your head, dude. The real question is, do you think a company that's been around since in 1969 can make it out of this crisis, dude? That's a big, big, big fucking guess, dude. Because we just ran from 36 all the way up to 42. This is totally different. I mean, the company's going to continue to operate through the situation, right? Like, they have a conference call in 2 days. I could also just wait 2 days, right? I could set a stop loss in and just wait 2 days and then follow the news because, like, this shit is money's not going to flood right back in, right? It's not like all the money that just got liquidated here comes back in, right? So it's just something to think about, dude. I mean, like I said, we're $21 out of the money on that. Some people bought that security without even reading the news because it's 21% off, or sorry, 17% off, with another drop in the aftermarket of about 3%. So really, this security is down. Do this one more time. $23%, dude. 23%. You just shaved 20% of market value straight up. That is insane. You know, so that's a tough cookie, dude. That's a tough cookie because it's like I said. I mean, a bribe to bail out the company. I'm not saying I agree with it, dude. Would I have done the same thing? I don't know, dude. That's kind of risky. It's kind of like racketeering charges. But you did save the company. So the company is saved, right? Had the buy analyst ratings. It was going up, and then this hits. So the question is, again, and it's also complicated because it's also the politicians that got involved, and they're going to get jail sentences most likely if there's serious evidence, which I guess there is because obviously the stock wouldn't be down 20%. It's an official investigation. It's like you're subpoenaed, you're fucked, right? So First Energy is also cooperating 100%. Their meetings in 2 days, and I only had 20 shares on. I could literally sell at a $20 loss, dude. Or again, the gains, dude. What if they get out of it, dude? What if they get out of it and again it flips, dude? It flips and you're in the fucking money, dude. So I'll make that choice tomorrow morning. We'll see. We'll see, dude. Right? If it's a bloodbath out of the gates, it's like, all right, dude, let's just get rid of this shit, you know. But if there's any hope, if there's any pump, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. But dude, I'm telling you, bro, that shit is at the March low, dude. Oh my god, it didn't even have a chance to recover, right? So look, it didn't have a chance to recover. So what the fuck? Let's see if I can just do it this way. That's weird. The pricing tool doesn't like that. So we're down 40% from the February high, dude. You're in. I mean, we're not technically at 40% because again, I'm out 3. So my strike is 34% off. So you're buying something that is very cheap right now, dude, from an investor standpoint. And then I could actually just add more. That is fucking risky, mate. That's the game, dude. That's the beauty of fucking trading, dude. That's why I manage my fucking risks. Right? I manage my risks and I don't buy thousands and thousands of fucking shares of companies I've never heard of, like First Energy. But it's insane damage, dude. All right, we're gonna get this uploaded. Again, I don't really see anything. Tomorrow is gonna be economic data. Friday, I believe, is unemployment numbers. Maybe I'll look at Fox tomorrow to get. Let me just check it out. See where Fox closed today. It probably closed up. Yeah, 2%. I should have just held. Well, actually, huh. Oh, yeah, okay. Actually, it didn't really go anywhere today. I could just buy back in. Because I profited from the move, but I can just buy more. I can buy back in. So maybe I'll buy then tomorrow. Let's see what the two. Yeah, they did. They did. Yeah. I profited from this move here. So I buy at the fucking close, dude. Yeah. Profited from that move. Could have bought here. Took off. I might buy some more. We'll see if this sells down in the morning. It's not done selling off. Let's see if it sells down in the morning. Maybe buy some more. Let this ride. Their numbers are good. Very interesting, dude. Very interesting day. $700 up, dude. $20 down on FE. Fucked up the entry on auto home. It's all good. Dude, we're up $8,900 in 33 days of trading, dude. What the fuck? Sitting on $88,000, dude, of available fucking cash, ready to deploy into this market when tech gets sold off, dude. When shit is just getting hammered. I'm sitting in all cash, dude. Fucking hope you people actually fucking sold today and use some fucking sense, dude. Because if you get wrecked, do not fucking come crying to me, dude. Do not come crying to me. All right, man. That's it. Long-winded video. We did the investigation, and we'll see how it plays out. Good luck trading tomorrow.